Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in unified communication. Hello, my name is Faisal Khan, CEO and founder of voicebootcamp.com. In this particular self-study kit of deploying Cisco Unified Contact Center Enterprise with CVP 11.5, I'm going to show you how to prepare and install a router in duplex mode. Now, depending on how your topology is, so this is our topology, router A and logger A and logger B, which contains both logger and router at the same time. Now I am going to first go to my router A. As you can see, this is router A. And what I want to do, we already validate that the router A is able to communicate with router B by configuring the logger. So right now what I want to do is go back to this particular page, click on router, and start configuring the router part. So add a new router, site A, duplex, and then click next. Now this is very important and you must enter this information carefully. First of all, it's asking you for the private interface of the router between both server. So not just this server alone. So I'm going to say 151 for high priority for A and B. Now normal priority and high priority, that's a QoS, the type of traffic. This is for B. So technically you could have different IPA subnet for each type of traffic, normal, high priority, high priority for A and B, then again normal for A and B, depending on how you want to configure. Now this is the visible interface address, which is the public. It is extremely important that you enter these IP addresses correctly. Failure to do so will shut down your UCCE server. And you can always double check, change it if you need to. This will enable how many PG that I need to support. So I'm going to say 1 to, let's say, 6 PG. And then continue. You can always increase it if you want to. If you want database access, you must check this option. If you want to communicate with external application, then check this option. If you want context sharing services, which again certain special services, you can check that option as well. Troubleshooting, reboot on machine on error. I don't like that option, but you may want to keep it for production. This is what define what is normal priority and high priority. So based on QoS marking. Okay, click next. I will start the service and go ahead and finish. The router will always start with local account on that server. Now while this is being taken place, so let's go to site B, router. As you can see, it automatically choose site B, duplex, same information, 192.51. I like copy and paste and minor editing. So pay extreme care on this, because slight error in dot or comma instead of dot may end up causing more headache. Okay, so we said 1-8, I believe we said, right? 1-8, or was it 6? I'll double check it. Check all this option. And go ahead and start. Okay, so while that is being taken care of, we'll go to A. So A, the router has been successfully created. You can go back to the return list to see the router. You can click on that and continue to make sure that you selected the right number of PG. Okay, all right. So I'm going to modify that to 8 and rerun it. Okay, stop and start the service. Okay, so A is being rerun with, and as you can see, B is already done. If if I go back to I close my service control and open it again, now I should see 2 services. Okay, same thing here. If I go close it and go to service control, I should see 2 services. All right, so this is the indication that router has been, this 2 server right now is considered to be as Rogger A and Rogger B. So that's pretty much it for this particular lab. I will see you